Good morning, students. Myself Deepali Harchande. I welcome you all for the English session. Today we are going to start with the writing skill. In that writing skill, we'll learn about report writing. Let's see the meaning of report writing. Report writing is a formal style of writing elaborately on a topic. The tone of a report is always formal. The audience it is meant for is always thought out section. For example, report writing about a school event, report writing about a business case, etc. Today we shall learn about the essential elements of report writing. In this slide, you can see what is report. Report means a clear and concise document. Here we need to write in brief, means in 200 words we need to write report. So report has its own purpose. So whenever we are writing report, we need to write on event as well as on incident. Just now we have seen what are the events and incidents. We can write report on school event. We can write report on if we are inviting a chief guest in our school and if they are delivering a lecture. So on that also we are writing report. Incident means normally you can see in newspapers you will get incidents or whatever has happened, that things has been written in the newspaper. But here in our syllabus we are not going to write the newspaper reports, but here we are going to write about school news, journals, and the things which are related to our education system. So let's see report writing. Whenever we will write report, so we need to think or we need to remember few points while writing report. Very first point, written in past tense. See, whenever we are writing report, it has already happened or occurred, so we need to write in past tense. Then don't use first person because we are writing someone else report. For example, if we are inviting a chief guest in our college and if he had delivered a lecture on environment, save environment, so whenever we will write report, that time we need to write the person name and third person while writing report. Again the same thing, we need to write indirect speech because the incident has happened already, the event has already celebrated. So direct speech will not become there, or we cannot write the report in direct speech, we have to use indirect speech. As well as we need to write report in passive voice. These are a few things which we need to keep in our mind. Next, general tips. The tips are elaborately explained here. Again the same thing, write a report in past tense. Give title to the report. It is very important to write title because what is the report and on which subject you have wrote a report, that things you need to mention in the form of title. Next is write a report in 2 or 3 paragraphs. It should be concise, it should be brief, so we are writing in small paragraphs, 2 or 3 paragraphs, but 5 to 6 lines only should be there in paragraphs. Next, give events as per they happened. Yeah, we need to maintain sequence or chronological order of our event. For example, if cultural program is there, so very first we need to start with the Ganesh Vandana, or we need to start with the welcome song, because in every event, even it is a cultural event or annual gathering, it starts with the welcome song, Ganesh Vandana, any prayer, and it ends with the beautiful event or beautiful uh, program has been arranged at the end of the event, or that or that program. So we need to maintain sequence of the program. Next is give detailed information of the program or event. It is very important, you need to write detailed information. So one, if the examiner or if a person uh, who is inspecting your report, so that time he or she should know what had happened in that event. So we need to write each and every detailed report in the program of the program or the event. Next, give nature or name or occasion, organizers, date, time and venue of the event in the report. Means venue is important, where the incident has happened, where, when, why and how. That things we need to mention, we need to write in the report. Next, all the information which given in the report may be imaginary. We should not write the imaginary information, keep it in your mind. We need to write a fact in the report, what has happened in the event or incident, that things we need to write. So imaginary things we should avoid to write. Next, give the details of chief guest and participants, etc. For example, whenever we are writing a report, so that time we need to start, today we have invited as a chief guest Mr. Patil. So see, this type of uh, introductory part we need to mention. And last is use simple and clear language. Yeah, language should be simple so everyone can understand the language. Here I have mentioned how to write a report. Here you can get the structure of report. As I told you that we need to mention heading or title. Then it is optional that to write reported by, name and designation. If you uh, do not write, it's okay, it's not matter, but here you need to write venue, means place, date, fine. That two things you need to write while writing a report. So this is the structure of report writing. Second, body. What you need to write in body? First of all, in the body we have to start with introduction. So where the incident has happened or event has occurred, then who was the chief guest, okay, then what was the subject. These things you need to mention in the first paragraph. Second thing, how and why that incident had happened, that things you need to write. And third line, volunteers participation, it is optional. uh, if you are writing about any event, then only that this point will come, otherwise no need to write. After that, in second or third paragraph you need to write main content, how the event started and what were the highlights of the event. For example, take the example of annual gathering. So what type of programs were there, whether it was social programs, whether the morals were there in that annual program, uh, as well as we can say what type of theme was there in annual program. For example, in schools, every year the school they are deciding theme for the gathering or annual gathering. For example, if tribute to police, if they have chosen this topic for 1 year, so in another year they will choose the topic like save environment. Then they will choose a topic like uh, we can say plastic ban. So these are few topics the school they are choosing for the annual gathering. So all the things we need to write in main content. And last but not the least, that is conclusion. Summarize the end of the event with the positive note. Positive end should be there whenever you will write the report. Let's see another one example of it. Write a report of celebration of Independence Day in your college. I am repeating. Write a report of celebration of Independence Day in your college. Now I am reading. You just write down in your notebook. Heading: Report of celebration of Independence Day. It should be the title, or you can write only Independence Day celebration. That title also you can write here. As per your own creativity, you can mention title. Now I am starting. First para. It was a day of joy and energy for us when we were celebrating India's Independence Day. The celebration held on college ground with the flag hesitation by our principal. Second paragraph. The function started at 7:15 a.m. Students and teachers gathered on the college playground and stood in rows. We sang various patriotic songs. We also gave various encouraging slogans. The principal came with the chief guest. The principal hoisted the national flag. You can say hosted, or the correct pronunciation is hoisted. The principal hosted the national flag. We saluted the national flag and sang the national anthem Jana Gana Mana. The principal gave a lecture on the importance and value of independence. Many of us who achieved success in various fields were honored by the principal and the chief guest. Then all gathered in the multipurpose hall for the cultural program. Dance, drama, and group songs were presented at the occasion. The college representative thanked all at the end of the program. So this is all about your program or report writing. Now here I have given you one homework. You have to write report on Red Cross Society organized a blood donation camp in TCS Gandhinagar for its employees. Write a report in about 200 words covering the event as a reporter of Times of India. Imagine that you are the reporter of Times of India and you have to cover this occasion. What is the occasion? Blood donation camp is there, and Red Cross Society they have organized blood donation camp, and you have to cover this news. So this is the homework for you, but still I have the answer of this also. You can take the picture of this. Yes, here. See, you can see the title, blood donation camp at TCS. Reported by, you should not write your name, you have to write XYZ. And reporter, Times of India. Means reported by the name of person, and reporter is from Times of India. Here the place has been mentioned, Gandhinagar, and 14th March 2020. Let me tell you what we have seen in the last year structure. Place and date you need to mention, reported by, and your designation, or from which news media or news channel you belong. So you need to write this. See here, you can take the pic also. Blood donation camp at TCS, Gandhinagar, 14th March 2020. Reported by XYZ, reporter, Times of India. Here just I am reading the report on blood donation camp. I am starting. A blood donation camp was organized by Red Cross Society on 10th March 2020 from 10 am to 5 pm at TCS Gandhinagar. See students, you can see here where has happened this this event or blood donation camp, where and when. Time also mentioned, place also mentioned in the first paragraph. Then purpose also mentioned here. The main purpose of this event was to create awareness regarding regular blood donation among the employees. It was very well planned camp and many employees voluntarily participated in this noble cause. A team of the 5 doctors and 20 nurses were present at the location. Dr. Akash gave an informative speech on the importance of blood donation at the start of the event. See, what we have seen in the structure, we need to mention the name of the persons or the chief guest. So, who is chief guest here? Dr. Akash. Next, I am reading. The first person to donate the blood was head of HR department. After that, a large number of employees donated blood with beaming faces and a proud heart. Refreshment was provided before and after the donation of blood to each donor. A certificate of appreciation donation card and a tea mug were given to each donor as a token of gratitude. Now last paragraph, third paragraph. As the end of the event was approaching, there was a sense of satisfaction on the faces of volunteers as a total of 257 units of blood was collected. The team of doctors appreciated all those who participated in the camp and making it a huge success. So this is all about the report writing. If you have any doubt, any query, you can comment me in the comment box. So thank you students. Have a great day.